so for those who are planning to get married here in India under Special Marriage Act, so here are the requirements. Pause this video and take a screenshot para meron kayong copy. And if you have other questions, just comment down below and I will try to answer it, okay? So, for additional requirements, kailangan nyo din ng 3 witnesses. Pwedeng Indians kung wala kayong kasama na kamag-anak nyo or Filipino. So, pwedeng Indian na relative or family friends. So, meron siyang 30-day rule here bago ma-solemnize yung marriage. Para siyang verification na wala mag-o-object dun sa application nyo. And then, after that, bibigyan nila kayo ng schedule for marriage. Doon nagaganapin yung court marriage. So, magpipirmahan, taking photo, and recordings ng marriage certificate. So, merong mga offices na nagbibigay ng marriage certificate like naabot ng 1 month. Meron naman na just right after the marriage, bibigyan nila kayo ng marriage certificate. So, dito kami nagpunta sa district magistrate like marriage registration office. So, kumuha kami ng agent kasi mas madali siya para sa amin. So, siya yung nagpasa ng application na gumawa ng lahat. So, yun lang yung process. And gagawa ko ng separate video for the Kana kasi alam ko mayroon kayong mga question lang. So, yun lang and see you on my next video!